Here we have a 2018 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. This is also a DV8 works conversion, so we've got various modifications, cosmetic modifications carried out by DV8 works. Starting off, we've got the 20-inch DV8 works alloy wheels, finished in black, and how fantastic do they look. We've then got the sea grey exterior paintwork. Again, looks absolutely incredible. You may have noticed we've got the wide arches as well as a 2-inch lift kit, adding to that aggressive styling you've got on this vehicle. At the front here, you've got the DRLs either side, which again look fantastic. You've got the light bar integrated behind the bumper there too. We've also got the front mounted nudge bar at the bottom there as well. Coming around to this corner, you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. DV8 works decals just beside it. We've got the side steps down below. You've then got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, black wing mirrors and door handles, as well as the black roof rails on top of the vehicle there too. Coming to the rear, there's a closer look at your third alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. We've then got the smoked rear LED lights, and how fantastic do they look. A huge improvement from the standard Ford Ranger lights. We've got the tow bar down there, as well as the load cover there to keep all of your items secure from the elements. Opening this up, there you go, there's a look at the storage space inside. Close that back up. We've also got front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, and as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at your last alloy wheel, and let's head on to the interior. So starting at the rear, of course, we've got the half leather interior with the orange fabric, and how fantastic do these seats look. ISO fixed points within the seats. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, 230 volt and 12 volt connectivity points in the middle just there, storage pockets behind the front seats. You've also got the brushed metal handle, electric window controls, more of that leather with the orange stitching, as well as your integrated speakers down below. Going on to the front next, you've got that same half leather interior again with the orange fabric, WILDTRAK badging on either side, and how great do those seats look. They've also got the electrical adjustments on the side here for the driver, as well as the unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric window controls with auto functions again for the driver, as well as child lock for the rear. Auto light controls on your right hand side just there, electric power folding wing mirror controls just there as well. Stepping inside the vehicle now, foot on the brake and turn the key, and we are away. Now as you can see, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for us on the go, like cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls, volume controls. You've got your auto wiper stalk on the right hand side, indicator stalk on the left. In the centre you'll find your infotainment screen with features like AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as CD connectivity, CD insert and Bluetooth audio. Dual zone climate controls with heated seat controls for both front passengers, phone connectivity, satellite navigation. You've also got your different mobile apps. If you go into the settings here, there's a look at the choices you've got here. You've even got features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as your ambient lighting just there too. Put a vehicle into reverse, you'll access your reversing camera, as well as a visual display, both your parking sensors at the front and the rear. Coming down, you've then got your volume wheel and for your stereo controls, as well as more dual zone climate control, so you can control it from the physical buttons or the infotainment screen just up above. Two 12 volt inserts just there, two USB connection points just below, parking sensors, traction control, rear differential lock. We've got hill descent control, of course our gear stick just here with park, reverse, neutral, drive and sport, as well as your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes for off-road use. Handbrake, two good sized cup holders, soft touch leather armrest in the centre, which also doubles up as storage just there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.